we looked at the wheels, we realized we could drastically reduce the weight of the wheels. Whilst reducing the weight of the wheels, we also looked at redesigning the wheel and visually making the wheel look different.
To achieve this, there's a complex and multi-stage process done by our engineers, and it starts with a computer. The absolute values for stresses and loads that these wheels have to undergo are put into a software, which then, with the limits it's given, will come up with a design. This bionic design, as we call it, is very strange looking, but it gives us our starting point for how we want to proceed. And it also means it shows where material is needed and where material is not. Our designers and the engineers will then work together to reshape this design until we have something that we can work with, but knowing that it is stripped back and as pure as possible. So to further weight optimise the front of the motorcycle, we've utilised a hollow axle. This means we're just using the material we really need to, without sacrificing on torsional stiffness or strength.